20 types of orchids to use as house plants. Orchids are a diverse plant family, Orchidaceae, that includes more than 700 genera and some 28,000 individual species. It is one of the largest of all plant families, and its members are identified by characteristic bilateral symmetry of the flowers with upward facing petals. Many species of orchids are epiphytic plants. They grow on the surface of other plants and absorb moisture and nutrients from the air. Phalaenopsis orchids. Commonly known as moth orchids, the species in the Phalaenopsis genus are ideal orchids for beginners since they tolerate clumsy repotting efforts and bloom on and off throughout the year. These orchids prefer diffuse lighting conditions but are otherwise very easy to grow. Native area: India, China, Southeast Asia, Indonesia, and Australia. Brassavola orchids. Brassavola orchids have white or greenish flowers with narrow petals and are exceptionally fragrant, especially in the evening when the perfume is released. The white color is indicative of many flowers that depend on moths for pollination. Native area: Central and South America, West Indies. Catasetum orchid. The large number of species within the Catasetum genus are known for their unusual waxy flowers. This deciduous orchid loses its leaves naturally during winter dormancy. There is much variation in appearance between Catasetum species, but one feature they all have in common is the trait of producing male or female flowers which bear little resemblance to each other. The male flowers have an anatomical trigger that forcefully ejects pollen onto visiting bees. Native area: Central America and North and South America. Cattleya orchid. Cattleya orchids have been widely hybridized, leading to a large variety of colors and forms. Many Cattleya orchids have appealing freckles, streaks, or other bicolor features. Some varieties are quite fragrant, and they are the most popular corsage orchid. Native area: Central and South America. Cycnocus orchid. This relative of Cattleya orchid is also known as the swan orchid, as the elegant inflorescence of male flowers resembles a swan's neck. As many as 30 spicily scented flowers may grow on one long-leaved stem. There are nearly 40 accepted species within the genus. These plants must be allowed a dry period after flowering is completed. Native area: Mexico, Central and South America. Cymbidium orchid. Cymbidium orchids, commonly known as boat orchids, may have small flowers compared to some orchid varieties, but their multiple flower spikes ensure a satisfying display. Native area: tropical and subtropical Asia and Australia. Dendrobium orchids. The top-heavy blooms of Dendrobium orchids often require stacking. With more than 1,000 species included in this large orchid genus, the Dendrobium orchids defy easy categorization. The most common varieties you will find in the trade feature white, yellow, or lavender blooms. Native area: Asia, Australia, Pacific Islands. Encyclea orchids. Encyclea orchids, also called cockle shell orchids, thrive when planted on an orchid mound to simulate the epiphytic growing conditions of the wild. Some horticulturists say this orchid looks like an octopus because of its dangling petals and sepals. Although not fragrant, it can bloom for several consecutive months. Native area: Florida, Mexico, Caribbean. Epidendrum orchids. The Epidendrum genus is large, containing more than 1,000 pure species and many more hybrids. The flowers are petite, and the plants need very bright light to bloom and thrive. Growers of Epidendrum orchids usually need supplemental grow lights when growing these plants indoor. Native area: tropical and subtropical North and South America. Ludicea orchids. Growing the Ludicea orchid, commonly known as the jewel orchid, is rewarding in that the plant looks attractive in or out of bloom. The plants bear many stems of tiny white flowers in fall and winter, and its velvety dark green leaves are equally attractive. This is a rare orchid genus that contains only one species and it is quite easy to grow. Native area, southern and Southeast Asia. For Krishi Sanjeevani, Vipin.